me punani, one punani. Give me punani, one punani. Give me punani, one punani. Give me punani, one punani. Kuli punani, Chinese punani, blacky punani, whitey punani, any punani, same punani. Glimity, glamity boy, it a fit timing. Glimity, glamity boy, it a fit shot me.
Keely, every ghetto youth, yeah. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pen.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Jamaican Dancehall star Demarco has landed his first nomination for an award in Australia. The singer has been nominated in the Best African Song of the Year category for his collaboration with Ghana star Samini. The song is called Summer Party.
Love when the girl them a wine and a brace. Position girl make up the face. On the way we a wine girl waist. Me and them a gonna have time to wheels. Stage girl them whining now. Them bump and grinding now. Watch them a wine and go down. Yeah, we love how it sound. Party all day, smoke all night, and we ain't gonna leave until the sunlight.
What the deal? Usain Bolt is receiving stark criticism following his role in an overseas commercial where he plays the role of a woman in the 40-second advert. Bolt is seen playing multiple roles in a Virgin Media household as a baby, grandfather, mother, and teenage boy, all of whom could be seen using the advertised product. But the athlete's role as the mother, however, has received some harsh reviews, while others find it entertaining.
Yeah, man. I can watch my favorite team whenever I want. I can destroy my enemies in high definition. I can chat to my girlfriends all at the same time. And I can watch my favorite athlete wherever I want.
Awkward.
What the deal? Upcoming dancehall artist Mace has followed dancehall DJ Alkaline by getting an eye tattoo. This almost resulted in him losing his sight while having his eyeball tattooed. Mace stated that he was fully aware of the consequences in getting this procedure done, but never knew it could have happened to him.
Them trend easy fi follow, you know easy fi set. No settle for the less, I proceed for the best. And if you think I lie, put me to the test. Give me a beat and I might, me no need nothing less. Me see them a drink rum, but me nah sip up. And me no want drunk till me can't get up. Me say me nah sing no song about the party, but what's me nah show me underpants the bus.
What the deal? Blak Ryno states that he's going to clash Kiprich at Sting 2014 just to prove that Anna Buckups make him win the clash. He also added that he doesn't want his career to be based solely on clashes.
I them a sprat, chat them a chat. I no cinema and never act me a act. A real thing. I no pat batam me a not tell duck and say give my spot. Yeah, me a the reigning champion. Go tell them me a the reigning champion. Me nah play, me dep on a mad mission. Me walk out me and I say and din and cook them, quest them, take them ambition. Me walk out as the reigning champion. Come here boy, but in any condition. Me walk out the reigning champion.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the advertise.com for the latest music, news, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
I love it, of you.